Talking about going up and down or being up and down is done quite differently in Irish to how it is done in English. Here are some words connected to up and down in Irish. Suas, anuas, huas, shees, anis, hees. The words beginning with S involve movement up or down. The words beginning with TH are used when something is already in position. It's up or down. Finally, the words beginning with AN involve movement away from an upward or a downward position. Let's look at the three on the left first. Suas, anuas, huas. To remember that the words beginning with S involve movement, think of a snake slithering along. Táme ag dul suas staire. I am going upstairs. After going up, a person gets to the top. They get there. Words beginning with TH means that you're there, up at the top. Tá siad huas ag a mar. The words beginning with AN are used to describe coming from a particular point. Anuas means coming from up, which means you're going down. Tá siad ag teacht anuas. Here are all the three UAS words together. Tá sé ag dul suas, tá sé huas, tá sé ag teacht anuas. Let's look now at the words ending in I for the OS, and the patterns are the same. Use the word beginning with S, like a snake slithering along, for movement. Táme ag dul shees staire. Somebody has been travelling down and then they get there. They're at the bottom. They're down below. Tá sé hís faoin tala. And then coming up from down below, as children do when they grow up. Tá na páistí ag fás aníos. Huas shall, hís shall. Talking about life, it's up sometimes and down sometimes. Finally, don't forget, an rud a héan suas, caithe sé teacht anuas. That which goes up must come down.